Yes, ma'am. Hey, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miriam, and today, baby, we have ourselves some occasion-style lasagna roll-ups. Oh, shout out to Miss Belinda Jackson, my sister. She sent me a video of a lady who made it with the stuffed shells. So, per usual, I come up with my own recipe, but instead of the shell, I use lasagna. So, I'm gonna start talking. And let's dig it. I'm so excited about this because it is creamy, it is cheesy, it is. I said I was gonna start talking. All right, let's see if we can get a little bit of a cheese pull, okay? I wanna see if I can do this. So I'm gonna pull one out. Oh, I wish you could see this. I'm trying to get a cheese pull for the thumbnail. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Oh, look at that. Look at that. My prayer. I'm going to keep it back here because the glare. But my prayer. Oh, I already know it's going to taste good. Honey, we got to get our little bits down in here. Ooh, child. Let me bring y'all in a little closer so y'all can see this opening on here. Lord have mercy. Oh, I can't wait. Ooh. I'm telling you, when food is a passion of yours, you want the taste to be perfect, the look to be perfect. Culinary is an art, okay? I'm gonna put this to the side, guys. And Just a little bit. And bring a plate here, of course. Miss Glare TV. Can't really see it. I do apologize. I do have some of the extra sauce on the side. I said to leave about a cup or so of the sauce just so you can have like some extra to kind of like pour on. And ooh, so I left it on the stove. I left it on the stove to kind of like, ooh, and it's still hot. I left it on the stove while it was, you know, it was in the oven. So it just like stayed really, really hot. Ooh. I'm sorry, y'all. I get excited with the culinary, honey. I do. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to just adjust the light, okay? So you can actually see it. So you can kind of get an actual visual of it. Yes. Yes, so, okay. Here we go. Cut into it. And that cheese on top, it's provolone mozzarella as well as parmesan. Come on, baby. Chicken, shrimp, bacon. Oh, wow. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Hey. It is so good. All those flavors. Oh my gosh. If you're not down with the divine swine, you can omit that, of course. If you're allergic to seafood, of course, you can omit that. Tweak it to how you like. I'm sure most of us do that with when it comes to recipes, you know. But it is tasty. I made the noodles al dente. It's got that bite of the chew. It's salted perfectly. Not overly salty, but not undersalted. It's perfect. It's creamy. It's delicious. Oh my gosh. I'd make this again tomorrow. It's one of those. Oh. Let's try this again. So good. I love it. So how are you guys doing today? How are you doing? I'm doing just fine. When I had chicken, I had some tenders, as well as some chicken thighs in my freezer. So I said I'd use that. Just water today. I need to go. I want to get my lemonade. Well, honey. A winner. The stuffing and the noodles inside of the pasta, I thought I would have like enough to like have a big bowl of just that, but it was only a tiny bit, so I placed it on top. Man, that's good. It's flavorful. It's Cajun, but I just wanted a little bit of spice. I should have added some cayenne. My one and only critique, because it's flavor, okay? flavor. Can't deny that. But I do wish it had a little bit of heat. So good. So good. Called for a real fork today. Get a little bit more of that sauce. Drip it in that sauce. Why? Because that sauce should be the boss. Because that sauce should be the... Silly. I think I could just eat just one. I thought I probably could eat like two. But I think I'm one and done today. Hands down, great. Must try. For sure. And you'll love it. Stuff on my face. Because we can't see. A lot of times I can't see. I have stuff on my face, my elbows, but anyway, if you are new to the channel, baby, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for being part of the fam. As always, I greatly appreciate it. I love you guys so much. God bless you, and I'll see you in my next video.